are you doing?
We are fine.
Welcome to class today. So, class, today we are going to talk about the results of the migration and settlement of the Eastern Cushites into Kenya. Now, in our previous class, we looked at the factors for the migration of the Eastern Cushites into Kenya. And here are some of the factors that led to their migration from their original homeland into Kenya. Number one, they migrated in search of pasture. In search of pasture and water for their livestock. Number two, there was population pressure in their original homeland. Then, another point, we had natural calamities such as drought. We had natural calamities such as drought and external attack by other communities. Now today let's embark on a topic of the day, that is the results of their migration into Kenya. Number one, when the Eastern Cushites came into Kenya, they found other communities in Kenya which resulted to increased warfare. This resulted to increased warfare. For instance, the Eastern Cushites fought with the Bantu. Another point, there was displacement of some communities. A good example is the Bantu, a place of settlement where that was Shungwaya. They found the Bantu in Shungwaya, they fought with them, and they displaced the Bantu. We had population increase. Population increase in the area of settlement. Take an example. This is our community here. We have settled here. Again, another community comes and joins us in this area of a settlement. The population will go high, and that is the case that happened when the Eastern Cushites settled into Kenya. We had another point, that is intermarriages. For instance, they intermarried with the Bantu community. Men and women from the Eastern Kushites and from the side of Bantus engaged in marriage. So class, we have looked at the results of the migration and settlement of the Eastern Kushites into Kenya. Number one being increased warfare, for instance with the Bantu. We had another one being displacement of some communities. And so, can I pose a question to class? Who will tell us results? Any result for any result of the migration and settlement of the Eastern Bantus? By the show of hands? Yes, Dan?
Population increase.
Very good. Clap for him. That is population increase. Another one? Yes, Beatrice?
Increased warfare.
Increased warfare. Joseph, has she got the answer? Is she right? Another point?